Are ornamental peppers edible? And this is from Miss Carol. So are they edible?
Sure. But you kind of need to know what you're dealing with. Many of our ornamental peppers are hot peppers. And it's not that they're inedible, it's that they may not have the flavor quality that we would expect from some of our traditional hot peppers. So they're edible, they may not be great. There are also more cultivars now that are really selected to kind of have the best of both worlds. So there's some sweet peppers that have both ornamental and edible. So sure, you can eat them.
Sure, you can eat them. Yeah. But they may be hot, hot.
Right.
Hot.
Maybe hot, or bland, or just not a great flavor profile.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.